Hi all, let's see asynchronous programming in C Sharp. Before seeing asynchronous programming, let's see what is synchronous programming. Synchronous means single thread, only one operation or task will run at a time. That is, you need to wait for a task to complete to move to the next one. For example, this main method having a two methods, long running method and short running method. Consider this long running method will download some large file from the server, and this short running method will print some information to the user. This long running method may take long time to execute. After completion of this long running method, the short running method will start execute. And also during the execution of this long running method, user cannot do anything in application. This is called as synchronous programming. You need to wait for a task to complete to move to the next one. Let's see asynchronous programming. Asynchronous means multi-thread, that is multiple operation or task can run concurrently. In asynchronous programming, this long running method will execute it in a separate thread from the thread pool, and the main application thread will continue to execute the next statement. In .NET, we implement asynchronous programming using async and await keyword and task class. Let's see how to implement. Here created a sample console application, and inside this main function created two functions, long running method and short running method. And inside this long running method, just printing first 5 numbers. Before displaying, just holding it for 1 second, just want to show you long execution. And inside this short running method, just printing some string. Let's execute and check. Here, this short running method wait till the long running method completes its execution. This is called as synchronous programming. Let's make this asynchronous. To make this method as asynchronous, use async keyword, and thread.sleep is for synchronization delay. Use task.delay for asynchronization delay, and use await keyword before that for holding it for a second. Let's make this for 1 second. Let's run. The short running method gets executed without waiting for long running method execution to complete, because the long running method gets executed in a separate thread. Here both method executed concurrently. If this asynchronous method return any value back to the calling code, we use await keyword and task class to receive that. Let's return integer value. For returning a value from asynchronous method, use task of t generic class task inside angle bracket, returning data type. To receive a returned value from asynchronous method in main, make this method as asynchronous and the return type as task class. And here task of int, we are receiving integer value, so int variable is equal. Here await keyword waits for the asynchronous method till it return a value. Let's see. Here, after receiving a value from asynchronous method, main thread continue execution of the next line. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.